colorful pancakes. And how are we gonna make the pancakes colorful, you ask? Food coloring. So yeah, these are the only ones we have. They're a little old, but we're gonna have to use them. So yeah, let's start. So we're gonna start with some pancake mix. This one individually. So we're gonna pour that into the bowl. Alright. That's all. Water.
The dye teleportation. The dye teleportated.
Okay, I've actually never used this food coloring for pancakes in a video, but I've used it a lot off camera. So let's just mix those together. So let's mix it. Doesn't take a long to mix though. It's not that hard to mix it. Like that's the easiest step, mixing it. Or putting the food coloring. I don't know which one's easier. Mixing or putting the food coloring in. But anyways, we're mixing, so let's talk about mixing up. So, Daddy!
It's done.
Yes, ma'am.
Alrighty. I think that's good. Okay, I'm just gonna whoa. Set this to the side. My favorite part, food coloring. Okay. It's chunky. Okay. Not that much. That's not that even much. Look at that. Like, what is that? This is not that good. Should I put some more in? It's not coming out. Okay. I have an idea. Hopefully it works. This food coloring is not that good. This is the only problem in a food video. We don't really have any problems in food videos. Okay. Alright, do you think that's enough?
Looks pink.
Okay, this is supposed to be pink. Because it just was Valentine's Day a few days ago, and pink is also my favorite color, so it's not really pink. I think I need some more. It's not even pink. That looks
3.
Just look at that. Okay, it's pretty pink, but there's still some pink lines, so we're gonna mix it a little bit and see if it gives us a little bit of darker pink. All right, now we are going to cook our pancakes. So first we gotta spray the pan. Let's shake up the spray. I think that's good. Maybe. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we're done spraying. We are going to. Okay, let's put this down. There's no eggs in this, so we're done. Okay, that's good. Whoa. That's fine. And then you will be able to eat that. The cameraman. Yeah. So now we're going to let that cook. What? It's cooking really well. Yeah.
Move your head.
Looks like we need to wait for the milk to bubble.
A little dirty on the stove. We're going to clean that afterwards, people. Don't worry about that. Okay, we'll let it cook, and we'll get ready to flip it. We'll come back to see y'all.
Guys, did you recognize that voice? The cameraman? From one of the cameraman's videos. I'll give you a hint. He's my dad.
Oh.
Yes, and he says people a lot on his videos.
Because there's people watching.
Yeah. He says people when he's playing video games on videos. So you guys put your comment down below who you think it is. So yeah. Let's go.
It's almost time to flip. Let's see if she can flip it.
Is it time to flip it?
Yeah, see if you can get it. If not, we can just wait a few more minutes. Yep, she's got it. And flip.
Wait, that was a perfect flip.
Wee! Woo, that flip was so flippy flip.
I'm
Yeah.
not telling you who's behind, who's the cameraman. You probably guys know. Looks a little burnt. It doesn't look pink anymore.
I don't know, burn it all looks pink. Let me your spatula. Look at that. That's pink. Is
Through the camera, it doesn't really look pink.
I know, but you got this because you got the spatula in the way.
Oh.
It's almost done.
It's really pink.
Check
guys.
underneath, see if it's done. Not yet.
Can you see? Is it done?
All right, do like this. You gotta do like this. Like
Whoa! Cameraman.
flip. And then flip. Okay. It looks like it's almost done. Just let it sit there.
Cameraman, you're gonna have to put on a plate. I'm just.
Okay.
I'm young kid.
Go ahead and cut the stove off.
I don't really know how to do that.
No. All right. All right.
Alright, we're done with the first one, but we're gonna make a second one. So let's start stirring the pan again, so it doesn't stick to the pan. You know what the drill, you know why we use it.
Somebody's got to clean that stove.
I know, it's dirty. I think it's my mother that made it dirty. Baby mama.
The baby mama. The baby mama.
Okay. Whoa. Camera. That's the perfect size for me. Just kidding. Okay, is that the perfect size?
Should be good.
It's dripping.
Stop eating raw dough.
Good.
Okay, we're going to let it cook for a little bit. We'll be back.
What?
3.
Okay, it looks like it's ready to flip. Okay. Ah!
Don't touch the hotness.
Wow!
Ah!
It's burning. I think the cameraman's have to get it. Oh! It
Oh!
doesn't look pink anymore.
God, still looks pink. We broke a cup on the floor, people. So,
Yeah.
don't nobody get on the floor.
Sad. That was my favorite cup.
I know. But the baby mama doesn't help very much,
It's
so
not my Barbie cup.
we don't have any help to clean.
Okay, I think it's ready to flip. Don't you think?
No, let it flip. Yeah, look underneath it. Flip it. See what that looks like. Flip it over, completely over. Okay, now flip it back over a little bit. Let it cook for another.
Wow. I don't want to touch it.
Okay, should be good. All right, people, we got the pancakes cooked. We're gonna tell you what they taste like.
Okay, so off camera, we poured some more pancake mix to make one big ginormous thing. So is it time to flip?
Check it.
Time to flip?
I'll give it a second more. Do you want a bigger spatula? You can have a bigger one.
Yeah, we have
Reach in there and get a bigger
in
one.
here. We have like this one. Oh Lord.
I think you're ready to flip. Now flip it up. If you can get underneath it.
Ooh, perfect.
Ooh,
This
pretty
is the perfect
good.
size. Because this is
Over that
really big
massive
pancake.
pancake we made.
And we got this. Flip.
See what it looks like. Flip it over and see what it looks like on the bottom. Okay. Turn it back over and let it sit there. All right. Cut the stove off.
Put this on a plate.
Cut the stove off, please. Don't touch the stove.
I'm not going to.
Just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. You're going to drop it.
Okay, I did.
Okay, don't touch the stove. All right, don't get down yet. We got to clean up the glass.
Don't tell me. All right, now it's time to taste it. So I'm going to separate these because that is mine. So look at this. Flip it over. You can see it. So we're going to try it without the syrup and with the syrup. But first, try it without the syrup. Tastes good. Tastes different than a pancake, but it tastes better than a pancake. Alright. Now let's pour the syrup.
Okay. Why are you guys not talking to me?
Alright, now let's try it with the syrup.